With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. Question says that ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is parallel to DC and AD is equals to DC. Prove that angle A is equals to angle B and angle C is equals to angle D. Let us make the figure first. We have to draw a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is parallel to DC and AD is equals to BC. Now this one ABCD is the quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is parallel to DC. This one is parallel to this one and AD is equals to BC. This one is equals to this one. Now let's do the construction. Extend AB to E. Here extend AB to E and draw a line CE parallel to AD. And this one line CE, this line is parallel to AD. So this is the construction. Now let's start with the proof. So here, as we know, AD is equals to BC. This is given to us, given. And here angle A is equals to, here this one angle A plus angle E, this one is equals to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle DE is equals to 180 degree, as the lines AD is parallel to CE. This is by construction. The sum of co-interior angles is 180. So we can say angle A is equals to 180 minus angle E. Now, since AB is parallel to CD and AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to CE. So quadrilateral AECD is a parallelogram. So here we can write, if this is a parallelogram, then we can say AD is equals to CE, opposite side of parallelogram, which implies here BC is equals to CE, as AD equals to BC given to us in the first place. So now in triangle BCE, CE is equals to BC, CE is equals to BC. Therefore, which implies angle CBE is equals to angle CEB. These two angles are equal, opposite angles of equal sides are equal, as BC is isosceles triangle. So here we can write, as we know, angle B plus angle CBE is equals to 180 degree. So here we can find the values of value of angle E. So angle B is equals to 180 degree minus angle CBE. This one is the first equation. We can use, okay, this one we can take as first equation and this one as second. So using first equation and second equation, using first and second, we can write angle B is equals to 180 degree minus angle CEB. This is our third equation. Now angle B is equals to 180 minus CEB, and in the above place we already proved, consider this one as A equation, angle A is equals to 180 minus angle E, and angle B is also equals to 180 minus angle E. So by comparing A and third equation, by comparing A and third, we can write angle A is equals to angle B. Now if angle A is equals to angle B, and as we know AECD is a parallelogram, that means here, as we know, angle A plus angle D is equals to angle B plus angle C. This we know. So here angle A is equals to angle B, cancelled each other. So angle D is equals to angle C. So angle A is equals to angle B and angle C is equals to angle D. Hence proved. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.